Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that promises some serious capabilities for aerial photography and videography. This is a 4K HDR professional drone featuring a Hasselblad camera. And right off the bat, that Hasselblad name tells you they're aiming for high-quality imaging. The camera itself boasts a substantial 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a key factor in capturing exceptional detail and dynamic range in your photos and videos. Speaking of video, it supports 4K HDR recording, meaning you should get stunning, lifelike footage with vibrant colors and excellent contrast, even in challenging lighting conditions. Beyond the camera, one of the most crucial aspects for any drone pilot is flight time, and this model offers up to 31 minutes in the air. That is solid duration that gives you more flexibility and time to compose and capture that perfect shot without constantly worrying about the battery level. For those who like to fly further out, the transmission system is also impressive. It uses OcuSync 2.0 technology, providing a long-range video transmission of up to 8 kilometers. What's great about OcuSync 2.0 is its real-time auto-switching between frequencies, which helps maintain a stable and reliable connection, giving you confidence when flying at a distance. Safety is another major consideration, and this drone includes comprehensive obstacle sensing. It features omnidirectional sensing, meaning it can detect obstacles in multiple directions, significantly enhancing safety during flight and helping to prevent collisions, which is especially important for newer pilots or when flying in complex environments. Looking at the physical design, the drone is black and appears to be constructed from plastic, which is fairly standard for many consumer and prosumer drones. The dimensions are quite compact when folded, measuring 8.43 inches in length, 3.58 inches in width, and 3.3 inches in height. This makes it relatively portable, easy to pack up, and take with you to different locations. While the brand is listed as generic and the manufacturer as Selvia, the focus here is clearly on the feature set they've packed into this package. A high-end camera system, good flight performance, reliable transmission, and robust safety features. It seems designed for creators who need a capable tool for capturing professional-grade aerial content.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.